There's no inspiration as such, just there were a few ideas for me to start a cafe, and I was looking for a house. I wanted to turn a house into a cafe. I was fortunate enough to find a property like this in an area like this, and this is a villa that we've completely transformed to a cafe in our style. So I can proudly say that this cafe offers what most cafes don't. We provide an environment which is very homely, and we're focusing on continental food, some really good coffee and some amazing desserts. So that's our menu. And yeah, this is a villa. We're sitting in a library at the moment. So talking about coffee in my cafe, I would like to talk about coffee in Bangalore. Bangalore has that culture where the people in Bangalore know their coffee, and we love to sell coffee to the people who love coffee, as cliche as it sounds. And there are a number of coffee shops which are coming up on a daily basis in Bangalore, and we have not made any compromises on the quality of coffee beans that we're getting, and obviously using our machine from Kaapi Machines. So the only way I can talk about coffee is after you taste it. So I would ask you to come over, taste the coffee and tell me how good it is. See, the name itself has a class in it, and the machine, you see that when you know your coffee, when you know your machines, that machine looks like a goddamn beast to you, and it is one, and it is a pleasure to work with a machine like that. Though I'm not a barista, it always keeps pulling me, and I go there, try to make my own coffee, learning new stuff every day. So it's more or less heaven for a barista to work there, and every coffee that comes out of Rancilio will make you happy. That I can assure you. We went over. We had Mandeep take us over on a tour, and showed us what machines can do, what are the options we have, and all of that. It was a one good day thing, and next day we knew what machine we needed, and then it was as smooth as it could happen. We decided on the machine, we made the payment, and then we had the delivery made on the day we wanted, and the installation, everything. So there's absolutely no obstacle that we faced as far as the cafe machine was concerned.